I will letter them there. Tell the government, say, me is a bad girl. I'm never born a blood clot England. I'm born a Jamaica. Them for come lava juice and summer sauce in my dot. I will letter them there. I must letter them. Now the bag, calm down. If it happen.
Nothing wagwan. Crazy.
Indeed, me is a top girl. But when I feel like the government have to sit back and watch my blood clot live. The blood clot drugs, I'm gonna sniff drugs. I'm gonna take blood clot drugs. And if it happen.
Nothing wagwan.
What if I something wagwan? But there, baby. Every time I come up, flag me out at airport, say me I carry drugs. When I do all kind of bag, report me to RAC. Tell RAC and PAC and WP me not hide me a bad blood. Them I go deport me. Are you them for deport your dirty blood clot, Varona? Are you them for deport? Me wonder if you don't get deported. If it happen.
They are crazy. They are.
Me no jealous, I'm jealous. I say my class. Oh, I need that. No, you're something. Are you something? Your things. We do it, I say. We do it, I say. Your things is not blood clotting. They don't relevant. If blood clot relevant, it's not thing. London, when we do the letter them. The last time them say.
Baby.
The amount of time I say if it happen, so something wrong with that?
I hot up some soup. I'm going to drink it from yesterday.
You put soup yesterday?
Yeah, red pea soup.
Bamba wall, let me tell you, always help at least to remain here in the United Kingdom. I give them 3 British kids. And the only blood clot record me have from me, we used to go in the shop and shoplift them blood clotting. But you see the government, they can't, right now them come and tell them I go one blood clot enter my premises. Because I am not doing nothing illegal more than my fucking mouth.
Oh, boss, big up on yourself. Jackie Henry, big up yourself.
One year answer, baby, what the fuck is that? Shut the fuck up, man. And I read for profile. Careless, most. Alright, I come a blood clot careless. Don't get me deported then, no? Say I'm a queen. Back to me, I'm the queen. I am the queen and the queen. We are the government. I'm free, pure and blood and mighty. A long time when that blood got Jamaica for 10 days. Rich, move your dirty blood clot. Check how much time for the year. Not even the government, them blood clot self can't stop me. I'm legal. I'm pure and clean. Move. I'm not living a blood for me. Go get a lot, girl, and go. I'm not black, I'm fine, you know. Shanika.
Thank for the line. All of my support, all of my gifters, big up on yourself.
Yvette.
Yo.
See, let I get as I come yesterday, I'm not even rest my school. You not even have a bank account. Oh, fucking what, Veronica? No, I don't. Your bank account is mine. I swear. Your blood, Veronica. Where? Yvette said them send me yesterday. I didn't come here and get yesterday. What you did? Blood clot something that. That's my medication, so. Look now, Yvette.
Yeah.
Look, important text information enclosed. I don't want the bomber wall them see my name. I disagreed me. When I sit down and set up people's life and wish people bad, Remember every dog have them blood clot there. I mean, I don't know from no blood clot where. Because I'm famous, I'm big, I'm bad, I'm beautiful, I'm old, I'm relevant, everybody I chat about blood clot me. That's why I can't feel fair, I can't tear with my cracker class. You take text instead of tax. And I never know, some I never pronounce not the rightest, but I still know everyone know. I'm a smart and intelligent and bright. Move on up now. Yes, nice, thank you, my baby. Dutchman, you there? Dutchman, what? Look, you know. I did some send me now. Look now, Yvette, you read?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. My name, everything, you know. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Let me read. Let me see if I can read it. Because let me remember where they're on it.
Thanks for the likes.
Verona, you want me to put you on mute and make you come back from the next page? Be a little dirty, sir. Because you just have to go make one next page. Just behave a little self and enjoy the queen. You know you want to my skin out right from the blood clot internet. And you want to go in a blood clot. It's very to move your dirty blood and behave yourself. Behave. Have manners to the queen and be nice and enjoy the beautiful queen. Because right now, if you see me to blood clot, you get starstruck. Behave your little blood. Me, I do me from even. I'm going to block you. Behave. And next time you write, I'm going to block. What she said she done? Queenie, I'm good. You see it? All right, me done now. Me no know some turn you on, Verona. I turn you on, you know. Talk the fucking truth so you love of the nice, sweet queen. And stop fucking provoking me. Okay? Be nice. Official girl, what pretty girl? How are you? Dutchman, thank you. Bumbleclad, Dutchman. Nice word, Dutchman. Me love you. Jesus, don't Verona, you love me, abuse me, sir. Eh? You want to tell me a Primark? You want me to show you all my designer belt them? Primark have them something Verona.
That's shorty.
Verona. Verona, I don't wear Primark clothes, baby girl. I prefer repeat me something them over and over. Me hot girl, see there? That's one of my belts. I don't wear fake stuff. That's my Versace belt, Verona. That is my Burberry belt. That's a Burberry belt, Verona. Which other belt, me not sure. That's a what is them? LV belt, Verona. And I can show you the blood clot shoes and the handbag them for them, Verona. And I can show you all of my rice clot necklace them and earring them, designer. Is that disgrace again at the back? Go dig up the bag them. Let me show you my bag of my cargo at Jamaica. I'm full of mango. 1,100 pounds I pay for this. I never shoplifted my bites. See that? I'm not weird fucker girl. Me no need to go in a Primark. If me I go in a Primark, go buy some 3 pound purse. Me spend 130 pound and buy what me I buy in a Primark, girl. Don't do it. You don't never see me in a shoplifting rice cloth for Primark. That's my picture for there. No. No, I am a professional pro. You have to know that, girl. Me a professional. When police come here for me, I have 15,000 what I'm a vehicle for them. Don't do it, baby girl. And a Primark never in there. Primark for the people that want little basic shopping. If they want to buy for 10, because somebody them go buy for them. Look. See my bag there? I eat my car full come of blood clot mango. See that? That's my bag. Every blood clot a designer. If I'm a designer, I'm not wear it. I'm satisfied with what I have. Because I remember when days was blood clot hard, I have to wear cheap and blood clot cheerful. I'm there at Jamaica and them say wipe and blood clot go. You know when you wipe and go? Ballet. You know ballet? The little clot, China blood clot shoes and with the little, the bottom look like, what bottom look like? Like a board. My love cause, yeah, and that make me be Queenie. Oh no, blood clot no, because my love see. I because my love cause my the whole on each up. You know like 1,100 baby I just pay. Look girl, don't do it. See there, baby girl? My proper Giuseppe bag girl. Girl not do it, baby. Right now I can't care back at Giuseppe and them clean it for me. You see it, look. We can't take them and make them shine them up for me. Don't do it, baby, proper things, girl. And you know, see me, I not even care about them something like one time. One time, I take the whole of my blood shoes and handbag. No, me, I used to buy take plane like taxis. Look, if you don't know people, when I go in, nobody don't know you're sad. Because I'm the queen, I'm relevant, I'm a reign, I'm a celebrity, I'm a superstar, I'm a famous. Move your dog. Verona, leave me. Verona, tell the government of England to right now, want them buy me 2 months tickets. I got them for doing the go. Blood clot, you feel like. My cock up friend, name out government, me not block them. Name out your blood. Even if I'm living outside, it doesn't matter. The greatest thing is life. And you're here watching me. So if I live in a council flat, what does that have to do with you? A crime? The government provide a house to me. Is that problem that? What you do prefer me give back the government them house and live outside? And what you gonna say then, Verona? So you just send me a picture there, a Primark. I want to tell you something. Girl, you're bright and think like under me. You smell like me and do it after blood source because you don't live nowhere. If you never live in our councils, that means you're a catch. Because if it's 100 with their England, 90% I will live in a contract frat because you can't own England house them. So what you said to me? 1 and 2 people in house owner. So talk to me now. What crime have I done? This is and not this. The council give me it. Yeah, proud. Whatever is mine is mine. I benefit me elephant so blood clot. What name out your dirty about them nasty off. What them call escada. The special need when we have the family last blood clot pin that and the government have a blood clot take care of me. The fuck. Yeah. But
hey, Queenie.
Blood clot.
Yeah, I gotta let you make a cuss them. Go and cuss them.
Alright, baby, too.
Yeah.
Bye.